This is Jim Emter, Ahn and Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for March 20th, 2020. Corn market today steady to down 2 after a big performance early in the morning. Bean market up anywhere from 16 to 20 cents. Wheat market up 4 to 5. Chicago, Kansas City, Minneapolis up 1 to 2. On the week, we're going to look to corn market down nearly 25 cents on the week. Bean market up 16.5, wheat up 25 in Chicago and Minneapolis, and Kansas City up nearly 40 cents. Some of that tied to the expiration of contract there on the March last week, but also just really a mixed bag of emotions here this week. We did get private sales this morning in the corn of 700 and some odd thousand metric tons, which was very encouraging to see. Also saw some winter wheat sold as well as soybeans. So good to see some demand coming out of China. But as we look to next week, it's really going to be kind of what's the impact of COVID-19, what's the impact on ethanol. Ethanol, a big concern point with basis levels widening out right now due to a lack of profitability and concern over some closures. And also just circumstantially, we bounced at a nice point, but we got one day of correction, and now we long for more. So Monday going to tell us a lot for the grains. Cattle market, feeders up to the tune of $3 to $5, lives up $1 to $3 as well. Hog market anywhere from up 87.5 in the fronts to down around 220 in the back. So really kind of a mixed bag. Cash undertones here this week. 113 live base, 178 dressed. Cash trade was encouraging this week. The cutouts rising big time. Cash is really holding this thing together. Packers margins are through the roof right now, which is kind of unfortunate when you see producer margins weakening here. But overall, we did see a stronger week with feeder cattle up 772.5, live cattle up 307.5, and hogs up 520. On the hog market, cutout values on the rise this week. Cash trend higher, seeing that index work towards $63 and good exports there as well. So overall, we'll come back here next week. A lot of emotion around the market, and we'll see what we've got. This has been Jim Emter, Ahn and Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great weekend.